This September on Philippine Biography.
Binaboy nila ang proseso. Ang mga akusasyon nila sa akin ay pawang kathang isip lamang. Sino po ba si Renato Corona?
That Renato C. Corona be and is hereby convicted of the charge against him, so ordered.
Get to see the former Chief Justice on a different light.
Ang original dream ko was to enter the military service.
And meet the Corona family on a whole new level.
My dad says he has this joke that he always brings my mom along when he goes out so that someone will laugh at his joke.
Gwapings ko si CJ ng bata.
Very guwapo. Hanggang ngayon.
All that and more on Philippine Biography.